Hello and welcome back to another C tutorial. This time I would like to cover C functions, what they're for, and why you need them. Let's say you have a ton of code just sitting around. I mean, it's doing its stuff, but it would be nice to have it a little bit more organized. A function usually has a way to take input, which then gets processed in the main functionality of the function, and then it usually gives out some kind of output. Let's see how that's done in C. No pun intended. First, we'll want to specify the data type returned. Yeah, that's a thing in C. The very first thing you want to type when defining a function is the data type the function will return or output, like an integer or character, or you can even say void if you don't want it to return anything. In this case, an integer. Then the function name, add, and two arguments, or in other words, inputs. Int a and int b. Next up, curly brackets, and inside here, that's where the main functionality or computation of the function will go. Here we can do integer c is equal to a plus b, return. That's where we return or output the result of the function. C, and we can actually do that in one line, return a plus b, like this. And here we do print quotes result digit, and that's going to be add 1 2. Now we open up the terminal, navigate into the folder, compile the script, and that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Keep on learning, and I'll see you in the next one. We'll initiate a variable called failed, so we want to say that.
Oh, I think I changed something. Camera, are you okay? What did I, oh. I think
What
I
did you do?
I don't know.